Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I am here in one of my newest games called South Point Fire Department. If you would like to join, I will leave the link in the next YouTube short, which will be tomorrow. I post YouTube shorts every day. Alright, so let's get started into the shift. Back with another shift video. So we're all good. I'll introduce you to the trucks. This is Truck 1. It is a Spartan Gladiator. This is Squad 1. Pierce Lance. The tanker is a Pierce, I don't know what model. Academy Panther, Chevy Tahoe, Ford F-150. So, just gonna lock the server so we can. Yep, so I'll give you a little tour of the station as well. So this is the bays. Also the ambulance and the chief car, the 2014 Chevy Tahoe, are parked back here. Do not touch the 2014 Chevy Tahoe. This is my friend Caden. He is the battalion chief here. That's Mark. He's Mark. That's Mark. He's a captain. This is Andy. He is a truck. He is a firefighter. And that's Firefighter Ghost. Come here, Ghost. Get over here. Say hello to the fans. That's Firefighter Ghost. Anyway, I'll give you a little tour. So this is the base, like I already said. Your bunker gear, click here for helmet, formals, gear. If you don't have any permissions, you have to wear. Looks like Firefighter Andy is going. This is the bunk room, number 1. The locker room. This is our meeting room, / whatever you want to call it room. It's our couch. This is where me and Caden work. And this is the second bunk room. So yeah, we're going to have a great shift today, and I hope we catch a fire. So let me know in the comments how you guys are doing. Sorry about that, I was speechless. Okay, looks like we have a fire alarm. I have no idea where. I'll find out on the GPS. I don't have my helmet on. We gotta get that on. Chief. Hat. I will take the engine, because I don't feel like taking the ladder truck. If you guys can't hear the game sound, I'm really sorry about that. And here we go. We're going. We're going down the street. And we are on our way down to this fire alarm. Hayden is sporadically driving. Looks like we're here. I'll be right back. I'm going to help him, because apparently he's on mobile. So I'm going to drive the truck to the call for him. This is one of my personal favorite ladder trucks. So we're responding right now in the ladder truck. As you can read, I don't know what he's saying in the chat. I don't understand the terms, but it's fine. I'll find out. Okay. Truck 1, engine 1, car 1, on scene. Ghost, do a 360. Oh, intense sneezing. I lost it. Never mind. Caden here is getting on his uniform. Wait, oh, my mistakes. Sorry, guys. Mark was the one who hit me with a ladder truck almost twice on the last channel. It wasn't Yandel, but he got some stuff. I think this is a 2-story home. Yep, yes it is. We're starting to search here. We don't know if there's any fire. Copy. Smoke alarms are going off, so I'm just gonna reset the panel. I'm gonna just reset the panel in the kitchen. I'm gonna take off my mask. I don't want to waste my oxygen. What a weird place to put your alarm system. Alright, reset the alarm. Alright, well, C4 clear. Engine 1, truck 1 clear. Copy that. Alright, so, we're gonna return. Unparked it for him so he can drive that back. I'm gonna drive the engine company back. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the lights. Oh god, Caden's trying to catch me. Caden's gonna catch me. That Tahoe's fast. Oh my god, that's great! We're back at the station. Wow, that Tahoe's fast, isn't it? Wow. Okay. So we are good here. Park up at the station. And yeah, we are pretty much all good. There's a ladder truck. Go ahead and swap out my t-shirt for something else. We're going to... and swap out my t-shirt. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Man, my keyboard's loud. So, Ghost is confused. Mark is right there. He parked his F-150. Bye. Caden says bye. Ghost says bye. Bye, guys.